meshed.
No. I don't know what all that black is on it. But you see where it right over.
Look! How much money for your beer that I stole from your house?
Steal away. I got plenty of cameras still there.
As soon as I walked down there, when you sit by the burrow, I had 2 flashlights rolled down there. I mean, boom, it was right there.
Yeah.
Because I can see you.
Can you?
I wonder if that's the light. Well, look at it. I can see, I mean, you can sit there and see out of it.
It works. It's just a little damaged.
I wonder what that is.
I don't know. I guess he can tell you.
You gonna do what you want to.
Do a video on there.
Kid. He just said earlier, I'm a failure!
Well, this has got spread way out somehow. I ain't messing with it. That may be the way it's set up.
I don't know.
I don't know how it's supposed to
I don't either.
I have no idea.
work. Strap it on the pecker or something. Don't know what you're supposed to do with it.
I don't know. Still might work.
Just recording. See? I mean, it says it's recording.
It's still alive!
I don't know what that does.
Bring me a beer. From the other side.
Oh, yeah. Just this right here. I don't know what that is.
Try that card game again.
It's fun.
Yeah. But if I play it again so I don't forget how to play it. He's already recorded me on that.
Has he?
Yeah.
Well, I don't know if I'm recording or not. I have no idea. This time we can see if it actually works if it's broken. I guess it's recording. There's a light going on.
It's probably recording.